Hi folks, Eric Cosway from Quantum Digital. The Ignite Summits are really for us to be able to add value to our clients and our prospects in the industries we serve. We bring in 15 to 20 people all across the United States and talk about marketing and talk about branding and talking about how to make their businesses grow. And it's our way of giving back to the industry and our friends out there.
So Steve, one of the things we're trying to do is when we invite someone to Ignite, not have them fear that it's a sales presentation and we're a company that's going to put a lot of sales pressure on them for a day and a half. What would your coaching or counseling be to the individual that's just not sure, but maybe wants to come, and we need to just help them understand what it is?
I would say it is what you say it is. There really is no sales pressure. That's what's so delightful about it. It's a time of information sharing,
Right.
Best practice sharing among people. The tour of the facility is fabulous, and there's absolutely no sales pressure. So I would say to anybody who's interested in coming, come, relax. You're going to learn a lot.
Yeah, and Austin's a great place to do it.
It's a great place to do it. We have a lot of fun.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Just don't try and come in the summertime because it's just too hot.
I'm sure you, like me, have been to a lot of conferences, but this one is really worth your time. I hope to see you here with me in Austin.